Okay, as that, I have to end my video now, as my camera, as usual, is just about to die. Please do like, comment and share, hopefully subscribe. This was Welham Green. If I can let me just zoom into the sign over there. Welham Green Station. My next station, I do not have a clue where it is. I did say at Victoria that I was going to do Hadley Wood, but I didn't. So joining me was my dad, which is hid over there, and I hope to see you guys later. See you later then, guys. I might give you like an extra bit, you know, if there's any good trains that go past. Yeah, so see you later then, guys. Bye.